In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Outlook web calendar and copy the secret ICS link. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to Outlook. Once the page loads, sign in to your Outlook web account. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you manage more than one calendar, because the calendar you publish will be tied to the account you're currently signed into. After you're logged in, look toward the top right area of the Outlook web page and open Settings. In Outlook Web, Settings gives you access to your account preferences and calendar options. So this is where you'll find the tools needed to share calendar data in a format other apps and services can read. Inside Settings, go to Calendar and then find Shared Calendars. This section is specifically where Outlook lets you control how your calendar is shared or published. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the correct calendar. If you have multiple calendars available, publishing a calendar creates a feed that can be used elsewhere, so it's important to choose carefully. Next, publish your calendar data stream. As you do this, Outlook will generate links you can use to share or subscribe to your calendar. One of these will be the secret ICS link. The ICS format is commonly used for calendar subscriptions, which means other calendar applications can pull in your events and stay updated based on the published feed. When the secret ICS link appears, copy the full address exactly as provided. This link is important because it acts as the private calendar feed URL. Be careful when handling it, since anyone with access to that link may be able to subscribe to your calendar data, depending on the visibility settings you chose while publishing. A good habit is to paste it somewhere secure right away, so you don't lose it or accidentally copy the wrong link. Also, make sure you're copying the ICS link and not a different format if more than one option is shown. The ICS version is usually the one you'll need when connecting Outlook calendar data to another calendar service or app. Once you've copied the link, you're done. You've successfully logged into Outlook Web in Chrome, opened the shared calendar publishing settings, and copied your secret ICS calendar link. If you're using that link in another platform, your next step will simply be to paste it wherever that service asks for a calendar subscription URL.